My skin looks so good. I might sleep in this makeup. Hey guys, I'm KimmyBoutiki. Welcome to my channel. I am your host for this evening, this morning, this afternoon, wherever you are right now, what current time it is. I am going to show you how to do this simple yet natural with a little dose of drama with the eyes, because I just, why not? I felt like doing the most. And because I'm a simple girl doesn't mean I don't have my moments where I like to do the most. And this is one of them. So if you're interested in how to do a simple yet dramatic makeup look, you're going to stay tuned. It's time for eyes. We are going to do, now I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill Morph brush JH30, my favorite crease brush, because I have a really fat area here, so I love this fat. We can go into this color called hashtag. I'm going to bring it in. That blended so fast. Now I'm going to take my Sigma E25 brush. I really love this brush. You could use it to pack on color blends. Now what am I gonna do? Now I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill JH33 with this colored teddy bear to darken up those corners. Now that we have that, so I'm just gonna press this. Like, bitch, what? Wow. Wow. JD Glow, he wasn't playing. Okay, I might have to put lashes on today. Wow. I'm still saying wow because it's so good. We finna take a flat shader brush, E20 from Sigma, and we're gonna go in with that wine and dine color up in here. And then we're gonna go in with that hashtag color. Or sit on the bench, because I can't see you in the bench. Take my 24/7 Urban Decay pencil. I am the absolute worst at wing liner. Hey guys, KimmyBoutiki. Kimmy, what you wanna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Hey girls,